In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva with Mailchimp in 2025. Now, I know many of you utilize these tools regularly, either to enhance your design projects or reach out to your audience more effectively. So let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First up, head on over to the Canva homepage. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, you'll notice the template section. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where you can browse through a plethora of design templates that Canva offers. Whether you're crafting a new newsletter or designing a stunning post, these templates can provide the perfect starting point. After you've explored and chosen a template that suits your needs, look for the Customize this template button. Here, Canva allows you to unleash your creativity, giving you the power to tailor the design with your personal touch. You can adjust colors, fonts, and graphics to ensure they align with your brand's aesthetic or the message you wish to convey. With your design ready, let's move on to integrating this with Mailchimp. Start by clicking the Share button and highlight the design. Type in the highlighted area anything that will help you identify it during the integration phase, the name of your campaign, for instance. Doing this allows you to organize your designs more effectively when working between platforms. Now it's time to connect to Mailchimp. Once you've highlighted the design, look for the Mailchimp icon in the Share menu, click on it, and then select Sync with Mailchimp. This step is crucial for linking your Canva design directly to your Mailchimp account, ensuring seamless transition and consistency across platforms. With your Canva design synced, the next step is creation within Mailchimp. Click on Create within Mailchimp, then opt for a template that suits your campaign. Hit Design Email, which is your cue to dive into the creative process within Mailchimp's editor. Mailchimp offers a variety of layouts, and for this example, we'll be using the basic layout. Once you've selected it, click Apply to lock in your choice. We're now going to add some pizzazz by returning to that lovely Canva design. Inside the Mailchimp editor, click on Add Image and select Canva from the available options. Here, you'll be able to sync and insert your customized Canva design. Finally, ensure everything is syncing correctly by clicking Sync Now. This updates your design on Mailchimp with the latest Canva creation, making sure all changes are reflected. And there you have it, a streamlined way to use Canva with Mailchimp, ensuring your email campaigns are as vibrant and effective as possible. Organizational and creative flow are vital, so take your time in each step to align your vision with the tools at your disposal. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.